Here's how to convert MKV to AAC audio. So if you got some MKV video, you can drag and drop it into this file converter app that I created called ConvertSave. Go to convertsave.com or just click the link in the description. And it does images, video, and audio, and you drag it in, and then you go select your output based on whatever you put in there. If it's an image, you'll see image outputs. Video, you're going to see some audio like AAC, and then we can hit convert and it saves. It's that quick. So drag, drop, convert, save. And that's where we got the name, right? And this came from me going to my brother, who's a software developer, and just saying, I'm really sick of going to these random websites to do all these different file conversions. Also, super slow, and I can only do so many, and I can't really batch convert. And so we created a way for you guys to do conversions on desktop, offline, on your computer. So like Windows and Mac right now, maybe Linux in the future will support, but you just drag and drop it in and then convert it and it saves. And it's just super fast. And we've, in the advanced settings here, we've added these advanced options where per conversion type, you can see the commands that are sent and the tools that are used on your system to convert these images or video, or in this case, like video to audio. And also you can create your own custom commands, and you can do that in the options builder or just type them in, but that's kind of advanced. Even I don't do that, but I do come into the options builder to adjust some things. Like I can add audio filters, volume, or change volume. I can select some trimming, like the start time, end time. And if it's video or if it's images, there's other things in here. This is for audio encoding, but for video, you can do like frame rate, resolution, and all these different things. And for images, you can actually add effects. You can crop, you can resize, all that kind of stuff. And it creates and generates these commands for you. And basically that's what will be sent to the tool for that conversion. And you can actually save it for, and you can actually save it as the default conversion that ConvertSave will use. So you can make this even faster. You build it once, and then it just converts like that every single time when you drag and drop things in here. I have tried over 1,000 files, maybe like 1,200 or so, and it just crunches right through them all. And so ConvertSave, you can batch convert, and I think it just depends on how much space and how much CPU processing power your computer has. Check it out. Let me know what you guys think in and not in the description, but in the comments down below. I'll leave a link down there as well, and I appreciate you guys' support. That's how you can convert MKV video to AAC audio. See you guys in the next one.